installed the kick trunk open for the Model X. This is a 2020 Model X. Oh. Alright, so I don't want it to go all the way down, obviously, because I haven't put everything back together. So couple of things you're going to need. You're going to need some painter's tape, so when you pry the plastic you don't scratch the plastic. Probably protect the trunk lip if you're going to do it in the garage like I did it myself. You need a 10mm wrench or socket to attach the ground cable. You need a T20 screwdriver to take out 2 screws for the trim here and over there. You're going to need a bunch of plastic pry bars to pry all this trim off, as well as this trim off, as well as pull out the push rivets. There's 4 there, as well as there's 2 push rivets on the bottom where the tow hitch goes. You'll also have to take this piece off. This piece just snaps off, and then I used a bell wire, just like a single wire, and I fished the wire through and then attached the wire supplied and pulled it through here, down here, across here, across the trim and down. And these are the plugs here. As you notice, I haven't hidden this wire yet. This wire goes up to underneath your screen, so I gotta hide that yet, but it's all working, so I'm just gonna button it up. I'm doing this in a cold garage, so it took me about probably an hour and a half. Probably be done a lot quicker if you had a better pry bar and stuff like that. So works great and recommend it, and another great product by Raymond at TeslaOffer.